All right, YouTube, what is up? It is not often that I go live, especially screen share live, but wanted to hop on and just give you a quick look at that euro dollar trade that I had sent out to you guys just a couple days ago. In fact, if you didn't see that, I will remind you it is under my channel. You can go watch it because obviously if you didn't see it, you're a little late, but it had the same thumbnail and it's titled Forex Trading, Forex Strategy 2020. If you're on my channel, in fact, it looks like this right here. It's Forex Trading, Forex Strategy 2020. That's the video I'm referring to. Go watch that if you hadn't seen it. But we are live today because we are talking about this euro dollar trade we had sent out. So that video talked about euro dollar, talked about our 5-leg bearish sequence. Here's origin 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which of course we have explained already. And the reason of our target is that this market is yet to reach that 5-leg zone, which of course means at this white line, that's our target. That is where the market is perfectly symmetrical from origin to 3 to 4 to 5, because origin to 3 was a truncated situation. Okay, so what we want to talk about now is we want to talk about the market and what it has done since that point. By the way, if you are in here live, let me know. Ian is live with me. Who else is in here live? Ian, what is up? Hope you're doing well. So with that said, euro dollar, what did it do? What did it do? Well, it's important to first understand the trade idea we were in. We had set a pending order here. We had also said that if you feel like you want to get involved earlier than the pending order, you could get involved in here. So some of you guys reached out to me and said you got involved at that point in time. Some of you guys reached out to me and said you had put the pending order. Whichever you had done, we had gotten filled earlier today. There's literally no drawdown on this trade, by the way, from that YouTube video. Literally no drawdown. And just wanted to mention this is that zone there that we were looking at selling. So since that point, that's 1.11085. We're all the way down to 1.0495K. So we have had substantial profits already in this. What I want to talk about, and the important term to talk about now, is that break-even point. Okay, so this market is already now, stops are now at break-even. As you can tell, we have now made another new low. We have broken this low. In fact, this low is now a low shelter. This area here is now what was support, turned resistance. Okay, and at this point in time, this trade is now break even, meaning that we can now grab our stop loss level and put it to our entry level. There's literally no risk on this trade. Okay, so Castley, what's up? Jay, what's up? So anybody that did see that YouTube video, again, you can find it by going over to my YouTube channel. It was titled Forex Trading Strategy 2020. I produced it 2 days ago, I believe. And that video was talking about this exact setup. So this is the type of scenarios that we look for in the market. Okay, we look for those scenarios where we have a bearish market already running. How can we enter on a pullback? We found a good area that we wanted to pull back into. We did that. We entered the trade, and the rest is history. Okay, so with that said, for those of you guys that are inside of IM Mastery Academy, I do want to let you guys know that I just sent out a new shadow trade with an entry, a stop loss, and a take profit on it. And so I want you guys to head over there. On if you're a member of IM Mastery Academy, again, the shadow is under DeLorean, showing you exactly where the entry level is, exactly where the stop loss level is, and exactly where the take profit is. So head over there today if you are a member of the Academy to get that new trade idea. For those of you guys that are just watching my YouTube channel for free, I hope you enjoyed this trade idea itself. And obviously when we talk about these trade ideas, and if I ever make a video that involves a thumbnail, okay, that looks like this, I'm going to start doing this. If I ever make a trade idea video, it'll say trade idea and the pair. So if you ever, by all means, and I don't mean this lightly, if I ever make a video and I produce it and you see an alert come up, which by the way, if you guys are not already, I would recommend going, I'll switch accounts to show you. So if you had a different account here, when you subscribe, make sure you turn on that notification bell, okay? And so when we talk about these trade ideas, they are going to be something tangible that you can take with you into the market. And so hustle to watch those videos. Obviously, the rest of these are typically not time-sensitive content, and you can come back and binge watch when you like. But with that said, these ones are always going to be time-sensitive material. And so that's why I went live today, because this is time-sensitive material. So with that said, for those of you guys that are live, is there any questions that I can answer for you in regard to this euro-dollar trade? Specifically speaking, I like the profit that we have made on it so far, and I like the run that this has made. And I don't anticipate this run to continue throughout the rest of today. I don't think another run is going to happen until at least tomorrow. So I would not anticipate another bearish push, at least in the intra. And by tomorrow, hopefully we can see another push. But I just wanted to hop on really quick live. I'm not sure how good this live stream even looks, to be honest with you. But if you could all do me a favor and just click that like button, it really means the world to me. And also, just to let you guys know before I answer any of your questions, we do have a lot of new content coming for you guys. So again, this is a textbook example of the type of trades that I like to teach. This is called what we call in my textbook and what we call in my training. This is what we call an extension dip trade. Okay, so if you guys want to know the terminology when it comes to this, this is called an extension dip trade. That's what this is called. And from a basic point of view, if I open up Paint, I'll explain really quickly what this means. All an extension dip trade means is that markets are always moving in symmetry. Symmetry says if this is 10 pips from here to here, then from here to here is 10 pips. That's all symmetry is. It's just showing the symmetrical side of the market. And so what a extension dip trade is it says, okay, we went 10 pips here. Market pulls back however many, and then it rallies again, breaks this low, and it's only run, say this is only run 5 pips. What an extension dip trade essentially says is that, okay, it's going to run a symmetrical version of this, so it's got 5 more pips to go. This is our take profit, and what we are doing is we are looking for a pullback in this area to sell it, okay? This is a drawing and a visual example of exactly what we just did here on euro dollar, okay? So with that said, click that like button if you want me to do more live trading content, whether it's or trading content related. There's going to be a lot of good videos coming up soon. I have another trading video coming out soon that's pre-recorded and stuff like that. So a lot of good stuff coming. Thank you guys so much. Like really, for those of you guys that are listening to this live, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for clicking the like button. Thank you for subscribing, all those things. This channel has been a really fun journey for me. It's not obviously something I'm not trying to be a professional YouTuber by any means, but I'm having fun with it. And, I work on this channel a lot, and hopefully you guys see that. And it's been really fun getting to know you guys. So with that said, I will see you guys on the next video, and God bless.